Hello everyone, welcome back to Budget Buying. Today we are exploring the best hydroponics growing system that lets you grow fresh plants right inside your home. If you want an easy way to enjoy gardening all year, you are going to love this. Let's get started. Let's take a closer look at the Garden Hydroponics Growing System. This indoor gardening system is designed to help you grow vegetables, herbs, and flowers without soil. It makes home gardening simple, clean, and perfect for any space. One of the best features is its complete growing setup. The Garden Hydroponics Growing System includes a water reservoir, LED grow light, and a built-in circulation system. This system keeps the water moving and fresh, which helps plants grow faster and healthier without much effort. You also get 10 growing pods, which means you can grow multiple plants at the same time. This is great if you want a mix of herbs, greens, or even flowers all in one place. It saves space while giving you more variety. The see-through water window is a small but very useful detail. It lets you check the water level quickly, so you always know when it is time to refill. This makes plant care easier and more convenient. Lighting is another strong point. The full-spectrum LED grow light mimics natural sunlight, helping your plants grow strong indoors. It also has two lighting modes. Blue light supports leafy vegetables, while red light helps fruits and flowers grow better. This flexibility makes the system suitable for different types of plants. The adjustable light post can extend up to 14.5 inches. This allows the Garden Hydroponics growing system to support plants as they grow taller, so you do not have to worry about space as your plants develop. Another helpful feature is the automatic timer. It runs on a 16-hour on and 8-hour off cycle, giving your plants the right amount of light without manual control. This makes the whole process almost effortless. In terms of design, this system is compact and fits easily on a kitchen counter or table. It looks clean and modern, adding a fresh touch to your home while staying practical. In real life, this system makes growing food at home simple and fun. You can have fresh herbs for cooking, enjoy greenery in your space, and even grow flowers without needing outdoor space. It is perfect for busy lifestyles. This product is ideal for beginners, home cooks, and anyone who loves fresh plants but wants an easy setup. It is also a great gift idea for family and friends. This is a simple way to bring nature indoors. Check the price link in the description and see if it is right for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.